Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a password from a Word document. So if you have a password encrypted document and just going forward you want to remove it, you don't want to have to make users enter in a password in order to access the document, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Please note that I am not showing how to remove a password from a Word document that you've forgotten the password for, or you might have a Word document in your possession and you do not have the password accessible. So that's not for you. This is if you have the rightful possession of the Word document and the password and you just want to remove it for the future. I'm going to show you guys how to do that just so you don't have to enter in the password every time you open up the document going forward. So I have a Word document on my desktop here. I'm going to go ahead and enter in the password for hopefully one of the last times here. Go up to the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Info. Where it says Protect Document, a password is required to open this document. Select the Protect Document option. And where it says Encrypt with Password Protect this document, go ahead and select that. And go ahead and just delete whatever password is in here. So leave it empty and select OK. And now you shouldn't need a password to get into this Word document here. So if I go ahead and save it, and if we go ahead and open up that Word document, you can see it no longer requires a password. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.